showing you how to use quick sign in Roblox. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is just open your browser or your Roblox app, and once you do, you should see something like this. So after you're here, you just need to look at the top right where you can see this gear icon right there. Just tap here. Now you have options like settings, quick sign in, and many more. You just need to focus on quick sign in. Just tap there, wait for it to load, and what you need to do is log in to another device. So it could be from your phone. Just do that and you'll see some codes, and all you need to do is enter those from your new device and tap on enter. And this will help you confirm quick sign in. You can also try just scanning the QR code. This will really help you just sign in quickly in Roblox. So that's all you really need to do. That's how easy it is. That's how you use quick sign in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.